Welcome. Today, we're diving into the future of video creation by integrating Google's powerful VEO 3.1 model into a Node.js. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple Node.js script that takes a text prompt, sends it to the VEO 3.1 model via Google's. Before we start, make sure you have Node.js and NPM installed on your machine. You'll also need a code editor like VS Code. Let's start by creating a new project folder. Open your terminal, navigate into the folder, and run npm init-y to create. We need two key packages, the Google Generative AI library to communicate with the Gemini API, and ... To keep our API key secure, we'll use a .env file. Create a new file named .env in your project root and add. Now, let's create our main application file. Make a new file called index.js. This is where all our video generation logic. In index.js, the first thing we need to do is import and configure .env. This will load the Gemini API key. Next, we'll import the Google Generative AI class from the library we installed. Then, we create a new instance of it, passing our API. Google offers various models. To generate video, we need to specifically select a VEO model. We'll use a model identifier like VEO. The magic starts with the prompt. Let's create a simple but descriptive text prompt. Good prompts include the subject, action, style. Video generation is an asynchronous operation, so we'll wrap our logic in an async function. Let's call it generate video. Inside our function, we'll call the generate content method on our model instance. This is the core step where we send our prompt to Google. The API call will return a result object. This object contains information about the generation job and, most importantly, the response structure typically contains the video file information nested within. We need to navigate this structure to extract the direct URL. Let's combine all our pieces and call our main function. This complete script will now authenticate, send a prompt, and print the resulting video. Time to see it in action. Save your index.js file and run it from your terminal using Node index.js. Be patient, as we can customize the output. The generate content method can take an object with additional parameters. Let's specify a design. For character or style consistency, VEO 3.1 can accept up to 3 reference images. While we won't implement the file handling today, if you prefer a simpler, unified API for various AI models, platforms like Replicate offer wrappers around VEO. The process is, with Replicate, you'd initialize their client with a Replicate API token and then use the replicate.run method, specifying the model. Let's make our tool more interactive by building a simple web server using Express. This will allow us to trigger video generation via an API. We'll create a post endpoint at generate video. It will accept a prompt from the request body, call our generate video function with that. With the server running, you can now use a tool like Postman or curl to send a post request to localhost 3000/gen. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated VEO 3.1 into a Node.js application and even built a web API for it.